Hi guys, welcome to ICM TV. ICM TV is bringing many computer training courses for you free of cost in collaboration with ICM Software House. ICM Software House is a multinational software company which is specialized in ERP solutions. ICM Software House is an Oracle Gold Partner company. In licensing, we provide best prices for you. In the implementation, we implement ERP solution based on Oracle Unified methodologies using best practices across the industry. In support, we provide 24/7 support. Either this is on-site or offshore. Based on the business requirement, based on the client requirement, we design support model and service level agreement for the business needs. In trainings, we provide corporate training, online training, classroom training, and business user training based on customized training based on the business requirements. In gap analysis and health check, we receive the requirement from the organizations which are already using Oracle applications. In system audits, we study the technical aspects of the system for the companies who are already running Oracle, and then based on our experience and best practices, we build a health check report. My name is Abdur Rahman and I am instructor for your today training. Before starting the training, I will tell you about myself. I have over 20 years of experience in Oracle. I got my Oracle certification in year 2000. I worked on more than 10 projects as a project manager, and I completed my PMP certification in 2014. I helped the team as I'm a very strong techno-functional guy, and I helped the team to manage and to meet their deadlines and meet the customer deadlines on the time. So today our topic is Oracle purchasing. Oracle purchasing is actually used for the procurement. In the Oracle procurement, we have many modules, which is like iSupplier, we have sourcing, we have service procurement, we have procurement contract, we have LCM, landed cost management, and we have purchasing modules. So we have many modules in Oracle procurement. So now today I'm going to teach you about Oracle purchasing module. Before starting the purchasing module, I will just tell you the key basics of Oracle e-business and Oracle supply chain. Then I will tell you what are the main key important processes for Oracle supply chain. After that, I will teach you about Oracle procurement and supply chain integration with other modules like supply chain, human resource, and the projects modules. After that, I will teach you how to set up and implement Oracle purchasing. Part of that, the implementation, I will tell you what is approval management engine and how, based on the business requirement, you will be able to configure approval management engine. After that, I will teach you what are the main core important transactions in Oracle procurement modules. After learning this course, you will be able to do complete setup for Oracle purchasing for any type of organization. So this is the main objective for the Oracle supply chain. But before starting this course, I will recommend you to get other training courses from ICM TV, which is e-business essentials for implementer, and as well as you need to get training for Oracle inventory and approval management engine. If you get all of those trainings, you will be very strong in doing implementation for Oracle purchasing, Oracle inventory, and you will be strong as an essentials for the implementers. So please keep watching our videos. Thanks for your time, and I will keep uploading each video every week. So normally this course will consist of 2 months because one video will be each week and then 8 videos will be in a month time. Thank you.